What's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Here we go again with another sneaker unboxing. These shoes just dropped last week on Mamba Day. Let's go check them out. Got 3 pair. Nike, keep picking me. Thank you. Woo. Woo. That's some Kobe 8, Venice Beach. 100% fire. Did I rock this in Vegas, love?
Of course.
Yeah, man. Look at that color. Not bad. Looking for trade too. For your Camo 6. Size 11. I add cash. We got some baby too. Right here. Size 3Y. Available. Hit me up. Once again, guys. Happy Saturday. Kobe 8, Venice Beach. Woo! Sapatos pa! Peace out!